guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just pulling into our local grocery store. It is Monday morning before Thanksgiving and I don't have our turkey yet. So I am getting all of the fixings for our Thanksgiving dinner. It's going to be a very small group, just the four of us, my husband, the two boys, and my parents, and maybe my grandmother. So we're looking at 4, maybe 5 adults and only 2 kids. So it's a very small bunch, very casual. It's kind of nice. Just the way that it worked out this year with my sister being with her in-laws and my in-laws staying home. So super easy, but I'm a little late. I hope I can thaw it in time. So I am going to head into the store now, pick up everything that I need, and I will check in with you later. Yeah. Okay, ready to go shopping? We're gonna go back to where the fruits and vegetables are. Thank you. You want grape? There you go. Great. Carrots. You're welcome. You want more grapes?
Yeah.
You want more grapes?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Please.
Please.
Please, Mommy.
And now what do you say?
Please.
Thank you. Put it in.
It did it.
I did do it. Thanks for the encouragement.
Welcome.
Welcome. Put it in. Alright, will do. Crackers. What do you think? Crackers. Alright. Is that where it goes?
Yeah.
You want to go right there? You put the crackers in? Hopefully we can thaw this turkey in time. What do you think? 14 pound, 27 pound. Ooh, that's too big. 17 pounds. That'll be good. Who's that? What does Santa say? No, not moo. What does Santa say? Ho, ho, ho. You hold it? Okay. What does Santa say? Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. What do we need next? We need butter. You're right. And rolls. Santa, ho, ho, ho. And we'll get more butter. Okay. Come in. Hey, excuse me. total for all of this stuff, if I didn't tell you, was $187 for the entire Thanksgiving dinner for 7 people, plus just stuff for the house. That is not bad. Using my store card, I saved $38.55 because everything was like buy one get one. This might look like a ton of yogurt to most of you, but my kids each have 1, if not 2, every single day. So I'm constantly like, these 3 containers were $15 in yogurt. It's crazy, but. This is my favorite, like, cheap bottle of red wine. Josh, it's so good. This is a Cabernet. This was $11.99. Here, Santa, ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. I don't know if you're supposed to refrigerate onions. They don't obviously at the store, but I always have. So the last time I showed my refrigerator and I put bread in the fridge, I got so many comments because a lot of people don't do that. So if you do it differently than me, that's totally fine. All right, so because I am a day behind on thawing this turkey, I am going to just keep it on the counter here for a few hours to expedite the thawing process. And then I'll put it in the fridge, at which point I'm definitely going to have to rearrange the shelves and things, which is the great thing about that. All of the shelves like slide up and down and do sorts of things like that. So I will do that in a little bit. And the boys are napping now. We just had lunch and this house is trashed. Like, it's a disaster. So I am going to do a quick speed clean for you guys. So sit back and enjoy some much needed cleaning motivation. So that's going to do it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for coming along as I shopped and prepped for Thanksgiving. Stay tuned later in the week for some additional deep cleaning motivation. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit subscribe. Give me the thumbs up on this video, and I hope to see you next time.